How to unlock a tablet when you forgot the password. Have you forgotten the password to your tablet? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to unlock your tablet. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. First up, if you're using an Android tablet, you can unlock it using your Google account. After several failed attempts, you'll see an option to forgot password or unlock with Google. Tap on that option and enter your Google account credentials to unlock the tablet. You'll be able to reset your password and access your device right away. Now, if you don't remember your Google account info, you can do a factory reset. Keep in mind, this will erase all your data on your tablet but will remove the password. To do this, simply turn off your tablet and press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data factory reset, then press the power button to confirm. Your tablet will be set and you'll be able to set it up from scratch. Another way for Android users is through Find My Device. If your tablet is connected to your Google account, simply visit findmydevice.google.com from another device and simply log in with your Google account. Select your tablet and choose the lock option. You can set a new password from here and unlock your tablet remotely. And there you go. Whether you're using Google account recovery, or factory reset, or Find My Device, now you have 3 easy ways to unlock your tablet.